Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this Boxing Day sale from LUSH. Some of it is full price and some of it is actually 50% off. So I'm going to start off with this one. This bath bomb is this one was 50% off. I think it's called Orange Pop. Looks like a cube orange. It smells really nice and strong, nice and orange scented. Ooh. So this one was also 50% off. I was very surprised because I got these on the Tuesday, so about 3 days after Christmas, so 2 days after actual Boxing Day, and we still have these for sale. So this is the Snow Fairy Bubble Bar. Nice and sparkly. Smells like candy floss. Next one is this one was also 50% off. Just managed to get it out of the bag. I'm not too sure what this one's actually called. It's nice and sparkly and pink. Can't quite pinpoint what this one smells like. It looks like a cabbage. Like Cinderella cabbage. These two things was full price. It is called Shower Scrub and then Shower Scrub Orange and Magic Crystal. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. Please do comment below what you managed to bag in the Boxing Day sale, either through LUSH or a different store. Thank you for watching.